Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, we're back on the old turd here, 01 Ford Escape, and I'm having an issue with one of my coil packs here. And each spark plug, if I could say that word, each spark plug has its own pack. And I knew this was a problem for a little while. We've been driving it, but now the engine light's on all the time and it flashes and it's running like crap. So this is the only thing coming up, so I'm hoping this is the only problem I'm having, besides all the other ones I've already several videos on this car, so go check it out in my playlist. I'll have a playlist on this car on my channel. So, and just like I say with all the rest of my videos as well, I got playlists for just about every one of my different projects I have going on, so go check those out. Anyhow, I can tell that this one has been changed. This one and this one have the little sticker on them, so I'm assuming they're not changed, and this one has been. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to change one right now. Now, once these start going bad, I'll probably have issues with it down the line, but because I can buy them one at a time off Amazon for like, I don't remember, $10 or $12, they're really inexpensive. I'm going to do that. Now, if you're having problems with more than one, you can buy like 6 of them for like, I don't know, and it comes out to like $6 a piece or something like that when you figure it all out. So these are definitely cheaper to go on Amazon and find them. By a lot. I think it was like almost $60 if I bought the Ford, and it was $45 or $50 if I bought some other one that they didn't even have, they had to order in. So $10 or $12, you can get one of these. Anyhow, so basically it looks like a very simple job. I've never done it before. And the first thing we're going to do is unplug or undo the battery, and we're going to do that by unhooking the negative battery cable. And actually, I almost forgot, I've had this off doing other work, so I didn't this was already off. This will be in your way right here, and there's 2 bolts, or should be, unlike mine. A couple bolts here you take off, and a couple of bolts here you take off. Actually, they're nuts. 1, 2, 3 right there, and then this just pops up, and you're gonna have to kind of fandangle it around things. Might be easier if you pop these things off here. I've done this in my other video. It's just a vacuum line of some sort. I'm not sure for what it is, but anyway, and then it just pops off real simple. Right now I haven't had this on here just because I've been doing so much stuff on it that it's just been in my way, so I've just left it off, but you'll have to do that. And we're right by the dipstick here. This is the number 4. 1, 2, and 3 is much harder. 4, 5, and 6 are the easy ones. And thank goodness mine is number 4, which is one of the easy ones. And to start, we need to pop this off right here. And right here, there is, you can't even really tell. I kind of had to mess with it, but it's real easy. You just push down on the back part here, and it pulls right off. Super simple. And then we have an 8mm bolt holding this in here, and I'm going to try and do this without knocking all our light out. And loosen that up all the way here so it comes out. And honestly, I'm not even sure. I think you just pull up on it. It appears that that's all you do. And there you go. I mean, it's about as simple as it gets. And I'm sure there's a way to check and make sure that this is what the problem is. It could be spark plugs or who knows what problems. But since this is what the computer is saying is the problem, we're going to go with it. And here's the part right here. Everything looks really good. ZBN, I believe, is the company. Genuine parts, certified performance, original equipment, quality, made in China. But I'm sure this part probably was too. Kind of neat thing. They sent me a little pin too. They obviously want you to buy some other ones, but that was awful nice of them. Oh, this was from Amazon. www.amazon. So ZBN ignition coils. anyhow, kind of neat little pin covers, I think is what they are. But that was nice of them. It's always nice to get a little extra treat. Anyhow, so there's the part, old part, new part. Everything looks the same. The only difference I can see is over here there's kind of like some sort of weird thing, I don't know, and it's on the opposite side on this one. Otherwise everything looks pretty close to the same. I'm going to go with it. So now we got the new part. We're just going to stuff it right back up in there. Now I probably should pull the spark plug out and look at it and all that goody stuff, but I'm just going to stick this thing in. And this one's actually feels like it's going in a lot more snugger than the old one did as far as hooking to the spark plug there. So that's a good sign. And you use the same bolt that you took out. So put it in by hand. Don't strip it. Now this is a plastic with a metal insert here, so it's still got to be careful. And then we just plug this thing back in. I'm going to look at the wires, make sure I'm not having any problems as far as the wires are concerned here. They look alright. So pop that back on. I heard the click. And hopefully we will be good. That's about as easy as it gets. That was easier than changing spark plug wires by far. So at least this way. I'll show you what you have to do. The one we just did was right by the oil dipstick right there. I believe it's 4, 5, and 6. Now if you have a 1, 2, or 3 coming up, all this stuff right here, you have to take it off to get to it, which makes it one of the more pain in the butts. I'm sure that's probably a lot harder than doing a set of spark plugs. So anyway, whether you have to do spark plugs or your coils, you're going to be digging into all this if you have a problem back there. So but yet again, take it one step at a time. I'm sure at some point, if I still have this rig, I will be doing a video on that, I'm sure, because like I said, I'm sure, whoa, this one here has already been changed. This one here I just had to change. That looks like original, and I'm pretty sure that those are probably originals back there, so who knows. Hopefully not anytime soon, because yet again, the only reason why I'm only doing one right now instead of just going ahead and doing them all is because I just don't have the time to do it. I got too many other things going on. So if you're wondering, hey, why aren't you doing them all? Now you know. So that's about it. Super simple. This is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.